Okay guys, so I'm going to show you real quick how to take your fingerprints. So first off, I have a little index card here, and I'm going to move everything really close to the edge of my desk. And the reason for that is because it's actually easier to take my fingerprints that way, having that edge, so that I'm going to be rolling my fingers. I'm going to be rolling my fingers like this. So it's actually easier to have it closer to the edge of the table and then rolling your fingers across here. So I'm actually going to, so I have my ink pad here just to show you guys what I have. I have my ink pad here, and then I'm going to move this very close to the edge of the table, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take, and I don't want to press too hard, and I want to make sure that I don't get too much ink on my finger, because if I get too much ink on my finger, then it actually makes the fingerprint a whole lot worse. So I'm going to just kind of run it through, make sure that I have enough, and then if you look at my finger itself, it's not black, it's just got a little bit on there. You can tell that it's not totally saturated. And then I am just going to, I'm going to hit it again because it's probably dried a little bit since I did that. And then I'm going to very nice and firmly roll my fingerprint out. So that's a little bit light. I don't have enough ink on that one. You can kind of see I haven't done a very good job there, so I'm going to press again. Press on my pad, and I'm going to try this again. That's a fairly clear fingerprint right there. So that's a pretty good one. Now I'm going to do this a few times to fill up my card, and I'm just doing it with my thumb. So just with my thumb again, and I'm rolling it through, not pressing too hard, and you get a pretty decent thumbprint there. So I want you to do the same thing, and I want you to have several thumbprints on here, and we want to make sure we have a few, make sure you have a few good ones. So, and you can tell that's all my thumb. You want about 5. And then I want you to turn it in to me with no name on it. You're also going to do this on a piece of paper, and you will label it with your name so that later on we can do an activity where we will actually figure out whose fingerprints are on each index card. Okay? Go ahead and try to get this done. If you need to, you can watch again.